Hey guys, welcome back to Rscarpremium. So we have got one more XUV 700 from Mysore to get it car upgraded. So let me tell you what all accessories we have done as part of Rscarpremium. So on exterior, what we have done is for customer needed a fog lamp. So he don't wanted to change in the existing fog lamp or in the headlights. So we have given a 2-inch projector on the front with a dual color. For protection, what we have done is we have given a hiker's rear bumper. So other main thing what customer wanted was an auto folding mirror. So what we have done is we have taken Mahindra Genuine's auto folding mirror with a wiring kit and switches so that it's completely a plug and play. If you see, it will work on the remote as well, it will work on the switches as well. So customer's other major concern was his steering. So he was feeling a lot of sweat on his existing steering. So what we have done is we have leather wrapped with black with silver stitches. Other main customer had was his rattling noise. So what we have done is we have added 2 layers of damping to it. For safety purpose, we have given Rscarpremium mirror dashcam, which comes with a 4K front and rear 2K recording with a G sensor and a parking mode. So if you guys wanted to get your car upgraded, please visit Rscarpremium.